Did you know that the blue whale can grow up to a whopping 100 feet tall and weigh as much as 200 tons, equal to about 30 elephants? The blue whale is the largest animal to ever live on Earth, and its heart is enormous, around the size of a small car. When it beats, the sound can travel underwater and be detected from up to 2 miles away. Its tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant. The scale and power of this gentle giant showcases one of the most incredible feats of nature. Follow us for short fact bites and deep dives into natural and human mysteries.